the video of the accident in this visual is clearly seen. The BMW car is upside down on the road and Navjot's wife is lying in the middle of the road and Navjot is lying near the BMW. Navjot's bike is lying near the car. This is the actual footage, moments after the crash, that we are bringing to you on Republic exclusively. Republic has accessed these exclusive videos of the Delhi BMW accident, where very clearly you can see the moments during the clash. The car is upside down on the road and Navjot, who has lost his life, his wife is lying in the middle of the road and Navjot is lying near the BMW. We also know for the fact that in this situation, Navjot has lost his life and there are several claims, in fact an FIR also which has been lodged in this case from the police in terms of destruction of evidence for rash driving, for acts endangering life, as well as culpable homicide not amounting to murder.
Very crucial detail that needs to be investigated, that why did the victim was taken to a hospital which was approximately 19 kilometers away from the very spot. Because if you see, the incident took place in the southwest district area, which comes in the Dhaula Kuan zone. The incident took place at the very pillar number 67 of Dhaula Kuan metro station. And after that, what we have seen that the accused took the victim from that very location and they took him to a very far away, approximately 19 kilometers away, to a hospital, Neo Life Hospital. So why did the accused took the victim to a very far away hospital? That's a very big question. And in that regard, what we have seen that the victim's family have come forward. The victim's son itself has claimed that there was some evidence which was being tampered by some people in connection with the case. That's why the victim and his wife was taken to a very far away hospital. Right now, the car has been kept at Delhi Cant police station area, and the matter is being investigated by the South District Police team in this regard. And earlier, if you see, what we have got to learn from the Delhi police sources, that initially when that incident took place, at that point in time, Navjot Singh was coming from the direction of Harinagar, and he was basically coming from a Gurudwara after offering prayers, and he was going to his home, towards his home side in Harinagar area when that unfortunate incident took place. And in which what we have seen that Delhi police has registered an FIR under the section of 240, and if you see 281 section has already been pressed in, and later on what we have seen that the Delhi police has also pressed in section 105 and 238. So right now the matter is being investigated. But if you see, earlier the victim's family has been constantly claiming that the accused tried to basically hide some information. They basically tried to conceal some information, and after that what we have seen that section 105, which basically amounts to culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and section 238A, which is basically about the destruction of evidence. So these two important sections were pressed in by the Southwest District team in that regard.
So you have said that the hospital which is nearby, he was not taken there, and a faraway hospital like Venkateshwara Hospital, which is quite far away, he was taken. So what?
Yeah, so the accident happened in Dhaula Kuan, and for some reason he was my mother and him both were unconscious, and they were taken to a hospital in GTB Nagar, in Mukherjee Nagar, called New Life, which is 20 kilometers away. That is about an hour of drive, and they were not even taken in an ambulance. They were taken in a delivery vehicle, the porter vehicle which has like a Omni or a Eco. So this is what my mother told me when she came back to her senses for a while. She woke up, she saw that she was in the passenger seat, and she looked behind her. Then my dad was laying on the back of the delivery vehicle, and my mom asked the driver to take them to another hospital which was nearby, but I don't know what happened. They still took her to the New Life Hospital in GTV Nagar.